There are a lot of business owners who want to use the Facebook and Instagram boosting function to create more brand awareness for their business. And using this function is the equivalent of burning money. Hi everyone, it's Patrick from Flood Your Business. Don't forget to subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be dropping lots of content every single week to help you grow your business, as well as announcing fun and awesome giveaways. So this is a topic that's been coming up a lot lately with the business owners that I've been talking to, and it's using boosting with Facebook and Instagram to create brand awareness. So for clarity's sake, there are two categories. There's not paid and paid. Not paid is organic posting. So maybe you post on your personal page or your business page, and that post is going to reach, or has the potential to reach, all of those who are either your friends or following your business page. And then you have the paid approach, which you can either boost a post that you've created, or you can actually run a Facebook and Instagram campaign. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about boosting and why you should literally never do it. When you click the boost button, Facebook creates a campaign for a post that you would like to boost its reach for. The Facebook campaign is optimized for post engagements, which means likes, shares, and post reactions. So the first problem with boosting posts is that you can only boost to one audience. You can also not really segment where your placements are. So for example, you couldn't say, I just want this to go to mobile or a desktop. I only want it to go to Instagram or Facebook. You don't really have that functionality like you would in the actual ads manager. Now with the new version of boosting, you can actually use custom audiences to target with pixels. Now if you don't already know what pixels are, it's basically a piece of code that allows Facebook to see things like events, such as clicking a button or filling out a form, stuff like that. But chances are, if you're using the boost function, you probably haven't set this up yet. Now when you boost a post, you can actually put a link to, say, your website or a landing page, but like I said before, this is a reach-based campaign and it has really nothing to do with events. In other words, when you set up a campaign inside of the ads manager the right way it's supposed to be done, it's based off of events like somebody clicking a button and filling out a form. So what's going to happen eventually is this ad's going to cost you less money to get in front of way more people. So sometimes when I talk to business owners, they use phrases like, we want more brand awareness, or we want to create more buzz. When you use the ads manager to create a campaign that runs an offer for your service that is optimized for leads, you're doing just that. You're getting brand awareness and you're getting reach. Remember, if you're spending money on social media, you should be able to measure the return on your investment. Now, if you're currently boosting ads, it's probably because the ease of use. However, there are a lot of better ways to do it. What I usually recommend is either messenger ads or lead ads. So you do have the ability within the ads manager to actually set up a campaign so that people can message you directly. Now, obviously this does take a lot of action on your part, so you will have to be fielding these messages coming in to actually get these people scheduled. However, it's one of the least techy ways to actually set this up. But like I said, there's pros and cons. So if you don't want to invest the time to figure all this stuff out and you really want to just see if you can get people and engage in conversations, it is a great way to actually get traffic into your business. The next simple way is leads. Now this is a step up from Messenger because it does take a little bit of tech know-how in terms of actually pulling in the lead information. However, now Facebook has its own CRM native and you can actually field messages coming in through the actual ads platform, and you can also pull the information of the leads from your business page inside of the lead library. At the end of the day, if you're boosting posts, know that you are losing money because Facebook can't really optimize off of events, and that's how you really want to set things up in the first place. So try using the leads function or the messenger function to get a better result, and I guarantee that if you measure your boosted posts against these, you're going to get a better return on your investment. If you would like hundreds of free marketing tools, join our free Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can join. I hope to see you in there. Don't forget to subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be dropping lots of content every single week to help you grow your business, as well as announcing fun and awesome giveaways.
Yes, you, yeah. 1, 2.